Right, hi guys. Today I'm doing a Ford set of clocks. One of the joints has gone dry on the back, so we're going to take the needles off and reflow the joint. What you start by extracting the case, and then we lift the legs off. Now I like to put this on number 1, and then take it off. And then I know where it goes back. I also like to put tape down, but in this case they weren't too worried about where they go back to, as the exact words were. But like I said, we will do our best and we will get it spot on. I tried to go to the nearest number. And like for example, I got number 10 there. I tried to go to the nearest number, so it will, when we put it back, it's pretty much back on point. And these screens are just pushed in, and the prongs lie in there. So we take this off, place it there. Now we get to remove the back, which are these pushing clips, which I sometimes go really well and sometimes go really bad. Depends how the day goes, I suppose. Oh my goodness me. Like when you're on camera, it's a lot more pressure, so I'll put the video back in now once I got this off. There we go. Now the back's off, we've got to take this bit off. And these are a bit of a pain to get off because of these pushing clips. I'd usually like to push something through the other side, but on this one I can't really because I'd break something probably. So we just got to persevere. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look. Do this one by you. There you go, come on. Oh, she's been a bit of a pain. They're out, they're out. Now you shouldn't really grab onto little bits to pull, but sometimes you just got to. There we go. Now it's just this one by here. And we will be hopefully she's been a bit of a bugger to get out, but we'll get there. There we go. And as you can see, here's all the points. Now I'll put it under a microscope to quickly show you. Oh, let's have a look. There we are. So let's adjust this. So you're going to reflow all of these. On this one, they just need a touch up, I think. So I'll be desoldering them and then reflowing them, and then usually I run. I'll have to get my picture up because I've done it for I've run it quite a while ago, but you can run a wire from one of the points over here to over. You can bypass over here somewhere, and we'll fix the common issue that occurs with this. Yeah, sorry, the video keeps cutting out, so I do tend to go like this to do it both ways, because I can get that side, then I can do this side, and I have to work each side. But whilst I'm doing it, I'm also putting pressure underneath. Now the ones I did do on top, I put the solder wick on. They didn't look too bad, so basically just need a bit of reflowing with the solder that's on the tip already. Usually I can see when it goes on, how it goes on, and you can tell if it's not done tidy, you know. So then you work you with the board. There you go. This one by here. There you go. Like so. I always give it a little wiggle. Now that one pin has way too much solder on it, so I'm not too worried about it though. Might be a bit too much, but it's fine. We'll clean the board, we put it back together, and when it goes back in the vehicle, it should work at the very end. If it doesn't work, I'll let you know, and if I come back to it to obviously redo it again, if I've done something wrong, I will also let you know. Oh, I don't like this pump bottle for this IPA. It's not great. Yeah, so you can see how they've all pretty much reflowed nice except for one or two. So let's have a look. Let's get a bit more solder on this one. I think I put too much on there, but we'll find out now. Yeah, we didn't put. I put a bit too much solder on that, but it's fine. And this one's the same by here, like that. This one's the same. This one got enough on it. That's got enough. That's got enough. Now we just gently touch it. Tidy that back up. And there you go, they're all reflowed nicely. Like I said, if there's anything different, anything changes, I'll let you know, and we'll go from there. But now I got to clean up, put it all back together, and away we go. We're all done. Hi guys. Some of the video got lost during transfer. Some didn't save. It was one of the whole things. Basically, I use a curved hook. Because I can use the point to just touch one pin with a bit of solder on it, or I use the curved one altogether, just put it down so I can get 2 pins at a time. That's the main reason for that. I did explain this during one of the videos that got lost. Also, thank you everybody for subscribing to me. I appreciate it. I mean, we're approaching 900, I believe. It's fantastic. I appreciate everybody who's interested in the knowledge. The car did go fine at the end of it all. As again, I'm missing about 2 or 3 other videos. Unfortunately, they've been lost, but there was nothing special. So
yes, that's it. Thank you for watching, like I said, and please come back. I'm gonna try and get another video out ASAP, just to apologize to everyone for the fact that this was delayed coming out because I've had a bit of problem getting time in to do everything because it's been one of them weeks where everything's just uh, come on top of me and it's been too busy.